Four seeds you should never eat. Ever wondered about the seeds you should steer clear of? Well, I've got the scoop in today's video that I'm going to go over four seeds that you should never eat. Seed number one, tomato seeds. When it comes to enjoying a juicy tomato, most of us dive right into without a second thought. However, one thing you might want to avoid eating are those tiny seeds nestled within. While tomatoes themselves are packed with nutrients and flavor, their seeds can be a different story. Tomato seeds are surrounded by a gel-like substance that contains lectins and glycoalkaloids. These compounds can be harsh on the digestive system, causing discomfort for some individuals. While the levels of these substances are generally low in tomatoes, the seeds concentrate them, potentially leading to digestive issues. Tomato seeds contain trace amounts of a compound called tomatotin, which can be harmful in large quantities. Though it's unlikely you'll consume a harmful dose by munching on a few seeds, it's better to be safe than sorry. If you're a tomato enthusiast, don't worry because there's no need to banish tomatoes from your plate. Simply remove the seeds before digging in, ensuring a tastier and gentler experience for your digestive system. Your stomach will thank you, and you can continue relishing the deliciousness of tomatoes without a seed-induced interruption. Number two, apple seeds. While apples are a crunchy and delicious snack, their seeds contain a small amount of cyanide, which is a naturally occurring toxin. Now, before you panic, the amount is generally harmless if you accidentally swallow a seed or two, but chomping down on a bunch could lead to trouble. Cyanide interferes with oxygen transport in your body, and although the seeds have a tough outer coat that helps protect you, it's better not to push your luck. The human body can handle small doses, but why risk it? Symptoms of cyanide poisoning include dizziness, nausea, and headaches. These are definitely not the kind of buzz you want from your apple. So, enjoy your apples, but give the seeds a pass. If you're worried about accidental ingestion, consider choosing varieties or simply remove the seeds before digging in. It's a small step to keep your apple eating experience both tasty and safe. Number three, nutmeg seeds. Nutmeg, commonly known as a kitchen spice, might add flavor to your favorite dishes, but consuming nutmeg seeds in excess can have adverse effects on your health. While a pinch of nutmeg enhances the taste, ingesting large quantities can lead to nausea, dizziness, and hallucinations. This seemingly harmless spice contains a compound called myristicin, which in high doses can cause serious side effects. Beyond its culinary uses, nutmeg has been historically misused for its psychoactive properties, leading to toxic reactions. Ingesting more than the recommended amount can result in a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to severe toxicity. The potential for negative health effects makes it crucial to exercise caution when incorporating nutmeg into recipes. And finally, seed number four, lychee seeds. Lychee seeds contain compounds that can release toxins when consumed in excess. These toxins may lead to an upset stomach, nausea, and even more serious complications. We all love a good snack, but these seeds are best left untouched. But that's not all. The seeds are hard to digest and can pose a choking hazard, especially for children. Additionally, the seeds have a high tannin content, which might not sit well with your digestive system. Avoiding an upset stomach is worth skipping these seeds. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two about seeds and why you should avoid these four.